Welcome back to the Brew Tank, where today we're going to be making a simple Cyser. The best thing about this recipe is that it comes with its own glass carboy and only takes a few minutes to make. So, let's get started. Today we're going to use a food-safe funnel, fresh star sands, 3 pounds of honey, 1 gallon glass jug of your favorite pasteurized apple juice, Lalvin 71B yeast, yeast nutrient, number 6 stopper, 3-piece airlock, cheap vodka or sterile boiled water if you prefer, and our yeast pitching bowl. Also, if you're wanting to take readings, make sure to have your graduated cylinder, hydrometer, and either a wine thief or baster ready too. The most important part, though, is pasteurized apple juice. If you use one with preservatives in it, it's not going to ferment, and you're just going to have some super sweet yeast-tasting juice. Before we start our mead, we sanitize the area down. Remember, sanitization first. Then, to make room for our honey, we're going to pour out half of the apple juice into another sterile container. Side note, for an easy pour, have your honey in the sink ready in a warm bath. But before you add the honey, take out some of that apple juice into your yeast pitching bowl and warm it up in the microwave in a sterile bowl. 15 seconds should do, since we are just going to be waking up our yeast. Once that's done, let's grab our honey from the sink that's been warming up and get our funnel ready to pour. Now for that sweet honey shot. I'll give the funnel a rinse so I don't get honey everywhere and another hit of some star sands. Now, we'll grab our stopper after a rinse in the bucket of sanitization or liberal spray down and place it onto our soon-to-be Cyser must. Cover the top with your thumb and give it a shake. This mixes up the must and aerates it too for the yeast. Next, we add half a teaspoon of nutrient and give it another shake. Let's check on our yeast now. Looks like there are some bubbles forming and a slightly yeasty smell coming up, so it's ready to pitch. Okay, after the pitching is done, top it off with your apple juice set aside. At this time, you can take a final reading. It came out to 1.122. So this one is definitely going to have some residual sweetness. Once you're done taking readings, place your airlock and fill with vodka or star sands, and you're done. Best part about this is that it's relatively cheap to make. It's going to be on the sweeter side, but you can adjust this by diluting your apple juice with spring water or adding less honey. Alright, all that's left is to give it some time, and hopefully we got a tasty sweet cider on our hands. Hope you all give it a try, and if you like my videos, there's more to come. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers.